Inside these broken walls under open skies, no silver spoon, no perfect life, but mama's hands, they held my dreams, pressed my uniform, stitched my seams. Concrete floors, but a heart of gold. A silent prayer's more than I was told. She said, my child, don't you be afraid. Your future won't be where we stayed. When life feels unfair and the road feels long, remember the place that made you strong. Never forget who was there from the start, the hands that held you, the praying heart. Never forget where your journey began, from humble ground to a greater plan. Use education, break every wall, rise up higher, stand up tall. Vosota, don't you give up. Taka taka waka uka, climb that mountain top. Oh, Kwaningu ile tava, where you came from. Never forget, never forget. Empty pockets, but face so wide. Mama wiped every tear I cried. She said, be grateful for what you see. Some don't have this opportunity. Every sunrise is a blessing you. Every struggle is shaping you. Keep believing, don't lose your light. God can change your life overnight. When you stumble and feel alone, remember the love that built your home. Never forget who was there from the start, the hands that held you, the praying heart. Never forget where your journey began, from dusty roads to a promised land. Use education, change your world. Let your dreams be fully unfurled. Vosota, through every pain. Taka taka waka uka, sunshine after rain. Oh, Kwaningu ile tava, where you came from. Never forget, never forget. Start each day with a grateful heart, even when life tries to tear you apart. Great things happen when you believe. Don't stop trying, don't ever leave. Mama's sacrifice not in vain. One day you'll ease her pain. Never forget who was there from the start, the woman who carried your world in her heart. Never forget where your journey began, from struggle to strength, that's God's great plan. Vosota,